since the monsoons are upon us, what would you suggest that people should do? What are the steps one should take to take care of their pets, house pets, especially during monsoon?
And so the basic thing is wetness, and so they all need to go out, poo and pee, and so they're taken out. People bring them in, and people, of course, nowadays after this COVID thing, they're becoming very, very hygienic. But sometimes they wash their pet's feet with water and stuff like that. The pet licks off that. So you can get monsoon related diseases like gastroenteritis like everyone else. They can go lick off water here and there. They may not drink enough water during monsoon, so you may get UTI. They may not want to go out and pee because it's cold out there. They don't want to. Some of them, they get so used to the indoors, they don't want to go out and get their feet wet.
Yes.
They go like that, come back. Okay? Yeah, doesn't like stepping. I don't want this. That honey, this one is like that. Tanisha is like that. She's one princess. She'll sit on only this thing, anything that's only table. She'll pee wherever it's dry, like dry land.
Correct.
So you have to be prepared for monsoon care pee. Get a lot of areas to wipe off that.
Right.
Of course, monsoon, if your dogs have got, respiratory disease, suddenly gets cold, like what's been happening for the past couple of days, they can catch a cold cough, like humans do. That's very possible. But these are the main things, and so what we advise you to do is, when you take them out, okay, if you have to make them wear shoes, you get shoes in the market, and take them out, get them do their jobs and back, and don't wash their feet. Just wipe them dry, don't, because if it's wet, what they will do is lick it, or don't keep them wet. People, so don't have to sanitize too much, and don't, of course, when you're taking them out naturally, then don't let them drink rainwater for gastroenteritis. Make sure that they're drinking plenty of water, taking them out for pee, good, do their jobs well to prevent UTIs. And that's mostly the thing for monsoon and respiratory tract infections, just like that.